Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, the scientific community has come together to work on potential treatments and vaccines. As a part of this effort, newer technologies are being explored, including one based on messenger RNA, also known as mRNA. Right now, this technology is being used to research a new type of vaccine to determine whether it may be able to help combat COVID-19, an mRNA vaccine. There are many different types of vaccines used to help prevent infections, all of which have the same goal: to train your immune system to recognize and defend against infectious disease agents, called pathogens, that cause disease. mRNA vaccines are not made up of the actual pathogen. They contain genetic information about the pathogen, meaning that they don't contain weakened, dead, or non-infectious parts of a virus or bacterium. Scientists have identified a coronavirus protein, the spike protein, that the virus uses to attack our cells. If one could train the body to identify and block the virus spike protein interaction, or to recognize a virus-infected cell, it may be possible to help protect an individual from infection or disease. mRNA vaccines are being designed to instruct your body's cells to make a spike protein, also called the antigen, which could potentially train your immune system to recognize and destroy the virus without exposing you to the real thing. Your immune system recognizes this antigen as a sign of a foreign invader and summons its defenses, like antibodies and T cells. When the real virus comes along, scientists believe that the immune system could recognize the virus's spike and prepare to defend against infection and illness. Because a vaccinated person may not encounter the virus for some time after vaccination, the goal is to train memory cells so that they can quickly respond to a potential invasion. Clinical trials are being run to confirm whether this process works to help provide protection. Scientists are excited about the potential of mRNA vaccines because of the anticipated time to develop and manufacture them. You don't need the actual virus or bacterium to create an mRNA vaccine. You only need a small part of its genetic code. It is also believed, and will continue to be studied, that mRNA vaccines may be given multiple times, and that these boosts to the immune system may help to increase immunity should it decrease in the future. The work that's happening now has been years in the making. BioNTech has been developing proprietary mRNA technology for more than a decade and is supported by Pfizer's global vaccine development and manufacturing capabilities. Scientists have been working closely with clinicians and regulators to evaluate the possible risks and benefits of this type of vaccine candidate and continue to adhere to high scientific and ethical standards regarding the conduct of clinical trials and the rigor of all vaccine studies. This includes extensive clinical research, such as robust studies designed through feedback from regulatory bodies, independent safety monitors, and subject matter experts, enrolling tens of thousands of participants. Research is underway to determine the safety and efficacy of mRNA vaccine candidates. Science has overcome disease before, and it will again. It is our hope that mRNA vaccines become one of the tools in the fight against COVID-19.